Next award under the category of Outstanding University in Training and Placement goes to Welltech Rangarajan Dr. Sagunthala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu. Professor S. Salivahanan, Vice Chancellor of the Institute, will receive the award on behalf of the Institute. Professor S. Salivahanan.
Greetings of the day. Thanks to Alex Technomedia for this honor, and we feel great to be rewarded on this elite platform of 20th World Education Summit and Awards 2021. This is for me who is taking this award, but on the back end there are many people who have been able to put me in efforts and get me this award. Each of you has enabled me to bring ideas into reality. My strength has always increased in dealing with the challenges and overcoming them. I am grateful to take this award with the utmost purity and dedication as a refund of my efforts towards my actions. We always aim to work as a family and focus on our dreams, which enable us to work in teams, and this reward will be a big motivation to all of us for projects coming in our way. In order to do this best and reach greater heights, there will be encouragement and increase in our enthusiasm, which make us eligible to receive awards on this huge platform of recognition. On the occasion of receiving this award, I would like to highlight some of the recognitions of our university. I am happy to share that Welltech stands in top 100 position in NIRF India rankings under engineering category in a row of 5 years from 2017 to 2021. The institution has been ranked in the band 801 to 1000 by the Times Higher Education D World University Rankings 2022. QS iGauge awarded the institution with a Diamond University rating. The institution has been ranked in band 551 to 600 in QS Asia University Rankings 2021. Welltech has the privilege to be the first member from India in CDIO, conceive, design, implement and operate with an aim to produce the next generation engineers by adopting outcome-based education and choice-based credit system. Our institution has a consistent track of placements over the years. The total research grant received from various funding agencies is around rupees 50 crore. The institution constantly motivates the faculty members to publish research articles, and the total number of publications in the last 5 years is about 3,000 in Scopus Index journals with a H index of 54. The Office of Industry Relations has interactions with 3,118 industries and signed 314 MOUs with leading organizations and universities in India and abroad. To inculcate entrepreneurial skills, the institution has established a technology business incubator, recognized as a center of excellence, and received rupees 23 crore from DST to support great business minds. Thank you.
Many congratulations once again to Welltech Rangarajan Dr. Sagunthala R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Tamil Nadu.